Hi guys, let's solve the problem 3075, maximize happiness of selected children. Okay, so what this question is saying is, we have to choose the happiest element and in such a way that we got the maximum amount of happiness value from the selected children, but the catch is we have to minus one happiness from each of the childs that are left. Okay, now suppose if I have something like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is my level of happiness of each children. Okay. Now, what I'll do is if I select this child happiness full, if I take this happiness, then I have to minus 1 all the happiness from all those children's. Means this would become 1, 2, 4, no. It will become 0, 1, 3, 4. Because I took this happiness and this is my rest array. Now suppose if I take this element, this child happiness, then what it be? It would become 0, 2, 3. Because if I minus 1 from this, it will go negative and I don't need that. So I will remain at this 0 and make this 3 minus 1 2 and 4 minus 1 3. Okay, understood the basic concept what we have to do. So you can think of as a brute force is I can go for any element and I'll keep on minusing the ones from all the rest of the elements and it will move like this. But this is the brute force, but I'll let you know about a great thing is we have to maximize the thing, maximize the element. So I have to always take a maximum element that is left from the array. So why not I sort this? I sort the array. It would become in a reverse direction 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And suppose my k is 2. Okay. Means how many children do I have to take? Okay, now if I take 5, okay, if I take happiness of the first child, I have to make the rest of the elements like 3, 2, 1, 0. Means what I'm doing is minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay, now if I take the maximum element this, I have to minus 1 again from this, from this, from this. Now it would become, my array would become like 1, 0, 0. Okay, so my maximum amount that I get is 5 plus 3, which is 8. Okay, so instead of minusing all the elements, what I can do is I can save. Just let me tell you one thing. If I take 5, I have to minus 1 from 4, minus 1 from 3, minus 1 from 2, minus 1 from 1. Now, if I have to take this element, I have to again minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. Now, if I have to take this, I have to minus 1, minus 1. If I have to take this, I have to minus 1 here. So, if I have to take, now see this. If I have to take this, I have to minus 0 from this. Okay, understood this properly. Now, if I have to take this element, my second element of the array, I have to minus 1 from this value. If I have to take the third value, I have to minus 2 value from this. If I have to take this, I have to make 3 and 4. Okay, so if I iterate over k times, okay, and if I take 5, then it would be like my result would be 5 minus 0. Okay, now if I again want to take 4, then I have to minus 1 from that. Now again, if I have to take this, so 3 minus 2. Okay, like this, n times. Understood? Means I have to minus the index. Index. This is my index. This is also my index. Understood? So if I have to take any index value, I have to minus the index from this. Okay. If you understand this concept, let me just code for you. You will get more of it. Let off. Let make it notes. Okay, now nums dot so reverse. Okay, now I have z. Now while k and I is less than n. My I is in index, so it will be 0. No. For while loop, always try to change the values first. Okay, iterator first. If my nums I, now let's check. My temp would be nums I minus I. Now, if my temp is less than 0, then break. Else, what I have to do is just temp. Let's submit this. Let's run this. Yeah, it's been accepted. So let's try to submit this. It's been accepted. Okay. Hope you understand the concept of why I'm minusing the index from the values. Because I have to keep on minusing the ones from this out. Now suppose if this becomes 0. Now suppose if I go to 2 and minus 3. 2 and minus 3, it would become minus 1. So I cannot go further. So I have to break from this. So I have to break from this element. I can't go for this alone. Okay. Hope you understand the concept of maximize happiness of the selected child. If you do, just give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.